Hey guys, back with another video. Put microwave. Put it in the microwave. I'll put some in the bowl and I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. 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 That looks good. That looks real good. I like that. Is that a little sound like a little crunch to it. I wanted to cook it a little bit longer instead of just a second to heat it up. I really wanted to cook it. So that's why I put it back in there twice. Because I like for it to get a little crispy there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm going to let it cool down. Because it's hot. Once it cool down, then I will be doing the taste test on it. Whew, but it's hot. hot right now, so let it cool off. And then I'm going to come back and do the taste test. Yes, it looks good. Good. Looks real good. Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm. Got my mouth watering. And it's crunchy. I know some people don't like to leave it in there a long period of time, but I wanted to leave it in there for it to get crunchy. I like it when it's crunchy. So I will be back once it cool off for the test. Give me a big fat thumbs up. I will be back.